Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to learn about logical operators in Python. So why do we need to learn about logical operators in Python? We need to learn about them because we can use them to combine conditional statements and return a Boolean result, either true or false. And this is the list of the logical operators. So AND, meaning it returns true if both conditions are true, or it returns true if at least one condition is true, and not, it reverses the result of a condition. True becomes false and vice versa. Okay, let's look at some examples. So example number one checks if a device is reachable and has low latency. We are using the logical operator AND here in this example. Let me just get into the IPython interpreter. So I will just go ahead and copy and paste this line of code. So here we know that this is a string, device status is a string, and this variable is a integer. So it says, this variable is equal to reachable, which is correct, and latency, which is 15 in this case, is is less than or equal to 20, which is correct. It's less than 20. So this print statement should return true because both conditions are true. Okay, let's look at example number two. So it checks if a device needs attention. So we are using the logical OR. We are using the logical operator OR in this example. So here we are assigning this integer to, this is in percentage, to variable called CPU utilization, and we are assigning this integer to a variable called memory utilization. And like I said, we are using the logical operator OR in this example. So let's analyze this. So CPU utilization is equals to 85. So this condition is true, yes, and this condition is false because memory utilization is just 70. It's not more than 75. So this statement or this condition is true. So true returns true if at least one condition is true. So this should return true. Yes. Okay, let's look at example number three. So we are using the logical operator not in this example. So it negates a condition to check if a device is reachable. Let me just remove that because we are assigning the reachable statement or string into a variable called device status. Okay, so I'm just going to copy and paste this line of code in here. This is true, this condition is true, and we added the not operator. So this should become, this should return true, false. We are just saying that the device being reachable is now false. Yeah, because of the not operator. Okay, so we've covered the AND operator, the OR operator, and the NOT operator. So again, the logical operators are used to combine conditional statements and return a Boolean result, either true or false. Okay, so that's all I wanted to cover in this video. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.